what's going on, everyone? It's Dustin over here with the Media Corp. Have you ever wanted to rank #1 on Google? The answer is yes. I would say, hey, 10 years ago it used to be extremely easy, but now it's actually really hard. But the good news is I'm going to give you a ton of insight today on things that you can implement to help rank on #1 on Google. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. So step #1, let me move my little space out of the way. Make this a little bit smaller so we can all read. Step #1, okay, is I want you to focus on content, all right? I want the content to be absolutely amazing. So on your website, you want to make sure that you have little videos on there. Make sure the content is very specific, specifically even niche related. So let's do a quick example. Let's say that you are a lawyer. Well, obviously with law, there's different forms of law. You might focus on divorce, you might focus on personal injury, you might focus on civil. There might be tons of different types of law that you actually focus on. Per page, okay, on your website, I want you to be as specific as possible. So if you want to go all in on personal injury, go all in on personal injury, okay, at least for that specific page. And there's a strategic way to set that up. If you want help setting it up and setting it up correctly to rank #1, what I want you to do is click the button below. You can schedule a call with myself and my team. You can go to www.themediacorp.com, okay? Another thing too is on your site, I want you to think of like your possible competitors. What you want to do is always do things a little bit better. So here's an example. Yes, there's personal injury. Yes, you've been in a car accident. Example, if you've been in a car accident, what are the 5 steps that someone needs to take? Make one of those individual little snippets of maybe a video. So take one long form video and break it down and write specific content per little segment of the video. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, do this. Be as specific as possible when you're doing that. That's going to be super beneficial. I'm going to show you in a second when we go to step 3 as to why. All right. So my second most important tip, okay, is optimize your title tag. So below gives you a quick example. I'm going to kind of go over this with you just to give you as much information as possible. But whenever you search for a keyword, at the very top is going to be your meta title. Anytime that you create a meta title, a meta description, you want to make sure that it flows in a sentence, it's extremely easy to read, and it's appealing to read. Okay? This is super vital. If you notice at the very top is going to be your meta title, and also your meta description is going to be the long form underneath, immediately underneath typically your website URL to your actual page, okay? So again, this is super important for every single page on your actual website, especially your home page. Can't stress that enough, especially whenever you're niching yourself down. You want to make sure that that is specific as possible. If you need help with this is confusing at all to you, what I want you to do is go to www.themediacorp.com. You can click the button right below this video. You can schedule a call with myself and my team. We'll take you through these steps to help you get ranking #1 for your specific business in your area. All right. Now, third, I think is the most powerful and most important tip. Okay, a lot of people don't know about this, but it's super basic. I'm going to show you how basic this is actually, okay? So step #3 is called Google Search Console. Actually, I'm going to pull up a browser because I think it's that vital and that important for your business, okay? So watch this really quick. I want you to type this in, Google Search Console, okay? Google Search Console. That's it. That's all I want you to do, okay? It's going to ask you to log into your actual Gmail account, okay? What I would recommend doing is whatever your Google My Business is linked under, use that specific email. That way everything is linked and tied together. But needless to say, once you go to this step, the very next step is going to ask you to take you to your DNS record. Okay, so wherever you purchased your actual website domain from, if that was Google, if that was HostGator, wherever, you're going to get a little code. Inside of your DNS record, you're going to click a button, click Add TXT, enter that code, and that is going to actually start populating all kinds of information for your specific website, okay? I have mine blank here because this is just a test, but you're going to get all the insights that you need and impressions, okay? I'm going to dive deeper into why the impressions are actually so important, okay? So Impressions is the main thing that you're going to be looking for. The impressions, the clicks, and the click-through rate. Why are the impressions so important? Is because that's going to give you an idea on the content that you want to start focusing on your specific website. So when you're writing your content, Google's literally going to pretty much put it on a silver platter directly for you as far as the actual words that you need to be using in step 1 and in step 2. So when it comes down also to creating your actual meta titles and meta descriptions, which one needs to be used specifically for your business. So guys, I hope you got a ton of value from this video. Again, these videos are designed to be short, simple, to the point, and implementable for your business. So if you want the Media Corp's help, I do appreciate you for watching this video. You can click the button below, schedule a call with myself and anyone on our team. It's 30 minutes. We talk about what you currently have in place within your business and things that can be improved upon in your business to increase your company's revenue through online advertising campaigns. So again, if you want our help, again, click the button below. My name is Dustin. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer over here at the Media Corp. I look forward for you scheduling a call, and I'll see you on the other side.